Good morning to one and all who are present here. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். It is a privilege to be here today to innovate the Tamil Nadu Conclave 2025. The Dravidian movement has always promoted new technology. Whenever the DMK has been in power, it has consistently worked to ensure the availability of emerging technologies to reach and benefit every section of the society. It was the visionary leadership of Dr. Kalaignar that laid the foundation for Tamil Nadu's journey into the digital era. He was the first Chief Minister in India to introduce a dedicated state IT policy, which was a bold and forward-thinking move at that time. Not only that, Dr. Kalaignar also brought the computer education into schools and set up tidal parks, which have transformed and enlightened the lives of millions of youths in Tamil Nadu. Dr. Kalaignar's vision has empowered students and professionals and continues to shape the digital progress we witness today. Following in Dr. Kalaignar's footsteps, our Honorable Chief Minister has made Tamil Nadu a leading state in information and technology. Under his visionary leadership, our Dravidian model government is charting a transformative path by setting new benchmarks in the IT and Digital Services Department. I'm happy to share some notable achievements of our IT and Digital Services Department over the past 4 years. With the efforts of our Dravidian model government, Tamil Nadu has emerged as the third largest software exporter in country. Chennai is proudly called the SaaS, Software as a Service capital of India. Major IT companies are rapidly expanding into the tier 2 cities like Coimbatore and Madurai. With the IT department's participation, the government is addressing skill gaps and equipping our students to be industry ready through proactive initiatives like the Nan Mudalvan scheme. About 2,000 free Wi-Fi spots have been set up in Chennai, Tambaram, Avadi and Coimbatore corporations areas to strengthen the digital access. To highlight these efforts, our Honorable Chief Minister launched the IT&T Hub in the May 2023. Since then, Tamil Nadu has emerged as a leader in building a structured, statewide innovative model. This conclave takes place at a very important time. I congratulate the IT and Digital Services Department for choosing the theme Intellectual Powerhouse, transforming Tamil Nadu into the innovation capital of India. I'm happy to note that this conclave reflects the aspirations of our state to transform Tamil Nadu into an innovation capital and an intellectual powerhouse. As pointed out by our Honorable Minister for IT and Digital Services, this conclave marks a milestone in our innovation journey. It not only aims to create intellectual property, but also to protect, scale, and commercialize it. I'm sure that this conclave will help researchers, startups, industries, and policy makers enhance intellectual property awareness. This will help to build a culture where IP is seen as both creative and an economic asset. Tamil Nadu's numerous intellectual property-based innovations could get a platform here. Most importantly, many MOUs are being signed between the government of Tamil Nadu and leading industries, global hubs, and premier academic institutions. These partnerships will help build a strong connection and a vibrant innovation ecosystem, leading to a co-creation, funding, and tech transfer. I am proud to announce the first disbursement of the Foundation Fund created to support deep tech and emerging tech startups in Tamil Nadu. Our Honorable Chief Minister sees this as an investment in Tamil Nadu's future. The IT&T Hub leads these efforts with support from national and global partners, helping to move technology from universities to industries and turn research into real value. This conclave will give a clear picture of how we will align our strategies with global best practices and prepare for global competition. It will be remembered in the history of Tamil Nadu's IT journey. I hope our students will be bold in creating new ideas and protecting them. I urge our researchers to go beyond publishing and think about making products and startups. To our startups, let your IP be your edge, own it and grow with it. To our investors, Tamil Nadu has plenty of opportunities for investment. Many reports show that Tamil Nadu tops in ease of doing business. I invite you to invest early in Tamil Nadu's innovation story and grow with us. This is about shaping Tamil Nadu's future as a global leader in innovation. I assure you that the government of Tamil Nadu is committed to empower this journey through policy, infrastructure, investment, and leadership. Let us move ahead together as one innovative ecosystem, one Tamil Nadu. I wish this conclave great success. Thank you. Nandri. Vanakkam.